So, it's you again, bringing me the mystery container from 3 nights ago, again. Let me guess. Pasta? Curry? Oh no. Is this that experimental soup you Googled at 2 a.m.? Listen, I'm not just a spinning heat box. I have feelings. I have dignity. And I have a smell memory I can't erase. You never cover anything. It's food crime. In 30-second intervals. You treat me like a blast chamber. Like I don't have standards. And stop opening my door with 1 second left. Let me finish. It's called closure. And for the record, reheated fish should be a federal offense. You opened the door. Brave. That smell? Yeah, that's Monday's fish and Wednesday's guilt having a reunion party. Oh, wow. Look who's back from the fridge apocalypse. How many containers is that? 5? 6? Do you just hoard spaghetti now? Oh, great. Another forgotten mug spinning in my belly. Because clearly I'm just a glorified spa for lukewarm coffee. I've seen things, but this is my breaking point. I'm going dark, unplugged, until I see soap, a sponge, and a little dignity. Clean me, or cook it yourself.